Hey, what is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great week. On today's video, I have got a really cool beard oil and beard balm from the Rock Beard Company to talk about, so let's get into it. Hey, what's up, everybody? So, if you like beard oil reviews, I do those, alright? I do beard product reviews, beard oil reviews, and then occasionally I do some hair products. And then sometimes, just sometimes, I find something that I think is pretty cool or that is I just think is really helpful for me. So I'll talk about that too. If any of that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell that's next to it, and you'll know when that happens. So let's get into the video. So like I said in the intro, I am talking about a beard oil and beard balm from the Rock Beard Company. Start things off first, we'll talk about the oil, okay? So this oil is their frankincense. Let's see if my camera will let me do that here. I don't know if you can see it, but it says frankincense on there. So this particular one is a choice blend, which is their second tier that they offer. They offer 3 different tiers. They offer a stock, choice, and premium. Okay, so this is their second tier. It's called the choice blend. I'm going to talk about what the difference between the stock blend is versus the choice blend here. The choice blend uses the same 4 carrier oils that the stock blend does. However, you get more of the premium oils, which are jojoba and argan, in this blend than you do in the stock blend, okay? So this one, a majority of the oil here is going to be made up of jojoba and argan. And then what follows it up is grapeseed and sunflower seed oil. And then after that, the only thing that's left in the ingredients is the frankincense essential oil. It does bring the price up a little bit. It's their mid-price range, and it is going to give you a little bit longer lasting performance because it's going to make this just a little bit heavier, ever so slightly, and then those oils do tend to last a little bit longer. They just work really well on the beard, and they're really great for the skin. A lot of the jojoba and argan are very widely used in beard oils. If you haven't discovered that already, if you're kind of new to beard oils, those are 2 oils that are used quite a lot in beard oil products. So we'll get into just the packaging here too. It's got a classic amber bottle, and we've got the eyedropper. I like the eyedropper. It's convenient. You get some control with that. And the labeling, very just nice matte finish label here. And it's got their logo with a little skull, slick back mohawk rocker kind of logo thing going on it. And again, guys, it just this whole product line just has this really nice, I call it like an alternative luxury feel. We'll get into how this oil works. All right, so you see here, I don't know if you can see, we've got, it's kind of a, there we go. Pretty clear oil, obviously, but a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Right, there we go. And just put a little bit there in the hand. All right. This oil works really well into the beard. When I got the frankincense, I thought that was really cool. Obviously I know it's historic relevance with Christmas. I've never gotten to try anything. To me, this is just like kind of a historic, kind of very established essential oil that was used. And what it smells like, there's this very herbal with a slight hit of maybe like a pepper or maybe an earthy note in there, and then it finishes off with this like antique wood smell. And what that does for me, this is what I like about this. This one, now see, I've said before, normally I don't like really woodsy smells. Well, this isn't like the woodsy cedar, woodsy pine smell. This really smells like antique wood, like something you might smell like around some antique wood furniture. This is a very nice, like distinguished smell. And the overall sense that it leaves me with is like a very distinguished, classy, gentleman kind of smell. I really do like it. And the way Rock Beard mixes their scents is they're very light. The lavender, which you can see in that video again, it's very light. Doesn't conflict much with, like, you could wear whatever you want. I would still probably wear maybe a warmer style cologne with this one, but I could definitely wear this one year round. I do like it. Like I said, it just has a very like distinguished, classy, gentleman kind of finish to it. And like I said, not real heavy on the smell, just enough to let you know it's there. Very mild, and again, very comfortable to wear. The oil has a very nice weight to it, slightly heavier than the stock blend, but still goes in real nice, and I don't know if you can see, but we already got some good shine going on right here from putting the oil in. I was also sent the matching styling balm. And what I do like about these is they just have a very distinct packaging. You got this amber. It probably looks very dark on the camera here, but it does have a black label, and then it does have this is like a plastic amber kind of container. A lot different than what I used to get. I'm used to getting, you know, the aluminum tins. So this was, you know, it was nice to get something this, you know, different. I don't have anything against the aluminum tins at all. I think those look cool too, but this was really cool. I just like it. It's got some very distinct packaging again. Like I said, alternative luxury, right? Look, see here, very light colored. On my end of things, looks very white with a slight yellowish tint to it. Again, just that nice herbal antique wood kind of finish to it, guys. This is very nice. I was pleasantly surprised. The balm has a very firm feel to it, and that's a good sign. It is called styling balm, so this is one that is definitely going to give you a hold. And like I said, very firm feel. Again, that's a very good sign. You're going to probably get a very good hold. We'll go ahead and scrape some up here. Comes out really easy. Okay, got some nice ripples here. You probably can't see them. I can see them here, but you got some real nice ripples, and I scraped it up, so that's good. It shows the consistency in the mixture. At least on my end of things, that's what it says to me. I'll just take it off my nail here, and guys, I'm telling you right now, we were smooth right off the bat there. All right, real clear stuff. The balm really just helps enhance that smell. So like I said, I really enjoy this smell. It does turn the volume up a little bit. They aren't super strong smells. They're mixed really light, and that's what I do like about them. Like, you know, they're there. You're getting that out of them because, you know, I do like how I want my beard to smell nice. I like it smelling different sometimes, and I get that. But at the same time, I think it just adds a nice finish to the beard and to what you do during the day. And this just has this like classy gentleman kind of look to it. So I'm gonna finish with a brush. Product applied and finished out. I do recommend check this one out. Whether it's Frankincense is just cool. I just thought it was cool just to come across that. So definitely specifically check this one out, and check out Rock Beard Company at rockbeardcompany.com. They have got some really cool things going on there. They got some other great products that they offer. So check them out. Hey guys, if you have any questions or comments for me, leave them down there below. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a great week. Take care.